I had to step out of work for about 3 minutes this morning to share this message with you. I was in an engineering meeting this morning, and at the end of the meeting, there was silence, and I read the room and spoke up and said something on behalf of the engineering team. Doesn't matter what it was, but at the end, later, a leader from the company came up to me and they said, "Thank you so much for your comment. It was very much needed." And he went on to compliment me and my emotional intelligence and my critical thinking skills. And we got into a conversation on the topic, and he said, "Well, yeah, unless you can develop the critical thinking skills early in life, it's very hard to do so later on." I stopped him and I said, "But it is possible, because I didn't have any access to critical thinking skills or emotional intelligence until after the age of 21. That brings me to my point. I'm not just a girl on the internet who's here to tell you my story for entertainment purposes. Currently talking about my mission. But at the end of it, we get to the part where I left and my entire world fell apart and I had a paradigm shift, a shattering of my identity, and was literally left with nothing. You would have told me 5 years ago that I would be in an engineering meeting and complimented for my critical thinking skills and my emotional intelligence. I would not have believed you. Am I a therapist? No. Do I have a degree in psychology? No. I'm an engineer and I have a gift for storytelling. And I'm here to show you how I rebuilt myself and that it is possible to learn and change.